Welcome back, students. Now in this session I am going to discuss about uh, pointers to objects, right? Here, what do you mean by pointer? Pointer is a variable which is used to stores the address of another variable, right? Pointer is a variable which is used to stores the address of another variable. Now here in C++ we can create pointers of the class type. We can create the pointers of class type. Here in general, for example, in C, how we are going to create the pointer? See here, int, for example, int star a, right? Here we are creating the pointer a for the data type integer, right? Here we are creating the a pointer for the data type integer here. And I'll give one more example, int a comma star b, right? Int a comma star b, what does it mean? Here b is the pointer variable, b is the pointer variable to variable a, right? B is the pointer variable to variable a. This b pointer variable is going to stores the address of a. B pointer variable is going to stores the address of a. Here, see here, this is the example 2. In example 2 we are taking two variables, int a comma star b. Star b is the pointer variable. This pointer variable is going to store the address of a. Here in this case, int star a, what does it mean? Here a is a variable, a is a variable, pointer variable of data type integer. In the same way, here in C++, here we can create the pointers. We can create the pointers of that class type. Whatever we are creating the class, whatever we are going to defining the class, we can create the pointer to that particular class. We can create the pointer to that particular class. Here, whenever we are going to create any pointer to that particular class, here it can point to the address of the object, address of that particular object. See here, address of that particular object. Here, why we are going to take that pointer is going to take the address of that particular object. Here, whenever we are going to declaring any class is consisting of data members and member functions. To access the data members member functions, we have to create the object for that class. By using the object of that particular class, we can access the data members and member functions of that class, right? Without using the object, is it possible to access the data members and member functions of the class? No, we can't access the data members and member functions of the class without using the object, right? Now here I am creating the pointer to the pointer to that particular class. I am creating the pointer to that particular class. What does it mean? Here indirectly it is pointing to the address of that particular object. See here, a class type pointer can point the address of the object. A class type pointer can point the address of the object, address of this object. Then it is known as pointer to objects, pointer to object, right? Here in general we can, I repeat, in general we can create the objects for that particular class. Here, by using the object of that particular here we can create the pointers to that particular class, right? We can by using the object we can access the data members and member functions of that particular class. Here, if we are going to create the pointer to the class, means indirectly it is pointing to the object only. See here, general syntax, class name star optr, means here this is the pointer, right? This is the pointer. Now class name obj, here this is the, here, see here, this is the pointer, right? Here I am going to write, this is the pointer. Now what is this one? This is the object. See here, now in this pointer variable we are storing the address of the object. We are storing the address of the object. We are in this pointer variable we are going to storing the address of the object. For example, here class A is there, A class is there. For the A class I am creating one pointer. For the A class I am creating the object. Now ptr equals to address of obj. Why? Because this is the object for class A, this is the pointer for class A. ptr is the pointer for class A, obj is the object for class A. In this pointer ptr we are storing the address of the object of class type A, right? This is the pointer to the object. This is the general syntax here. First it is going to start with the class name, and then we are going to use this star symbol, then pointer variable, next class name obj, optr equals to address of obj. By using here in this pointer variable we are going to store the address of the object, right? To access the data members or member functions of the class using pointer object, the indirect access operator is going to use here. This arrow is the indirect access operator. By using this indirect access operator we can access the data members and member functions of its base class. Here in general, see here, class A, here public int A void display, right? Closing this one. Now here I am creating the one object obj, right? By using this object, how we are going to access this variable data member A and display member function display? By using this dot operator. Is it right? A dot obj dot A, right? obj dot A. By using this object of A we can access the data member A and we can access the member function display, obj dot display, is it right? By using the object. Now I am going to create the pointer to this class A star ptr. Now ptr equals to address of obj. Now I am creating the pointer for this class A. Now I am creating the object for this class A. Now I am going to save the address of this object in ptr. Now by using this ptr, by using this pointer variable also, we can access the data members and member functions of that particular class by using this indirect access operator. How we see here, how we are going to access this one? See, ptr A, right? ptr display, see here, instead of dot operator we are going to use this indirect access operator, right? Here star ptr is the pointer variable, obj is the object. Here we are in pointer variable we are going to store the address of that particular object. By using the object also we can access the data members and member functions of that particular class, right? By using the pointer also we can access the data member and member function of that particular class. Here by using the object we are going to use this dot operator. By using the pointer to access the data members and member functions of the class, we have to use this arrow mark, indirect access operator. I'll explain with an example. See here, hash include iostream using namespace std. Here now I am using dev C++ software. In that particular case we are not going to use this iostream.h, right? We have to use this using namespace std statement also. Here now I am going to create this one class. I am going to declaring one class A. In public mode I am going to declaring P, data member P and member function display, void display. Here in this case I am going to display the value of P. I am going to display the value of P, cout data member, this value of P, right? Up to here clear? Next here, now I am going to create the object for class A. Now I am creating the pointer to class A. I am creating the first I am going to create the pointer to class A. See here, A star pointer A, Here this is the pointer to class A. A star ptr A, it means that this is the pointer to class A. This is the pointer to class A. Now A obj A, this is the object for class A. Obj is the object, A means obj A means object to class A. Now in first case I am creating the pointer to class A. In second case I am creating the object to class A. I am creating the object to class A. Now see here. Now in this pointer variable I am going to store the address of A. I am going to store the address of obj operator. ptr A equals to address of obj A. Here by using these two operators, by using this pointer variable and by using this object, we can access the data member. See here, we can access the data member P and we can access the member function display. See here, how cout here. In first case I am writing cout accessing class members using the object. Here what is the object here? Obj A. What is the object here? Obj A. Now here to access the data members and member functions of a class outside the class by using the object, we have to use this dot operator. Now see, obj A dot P equals to 20, right? Right. Now obj A dot display, by using this dot operator, we can access the data members and member functions of a class by using the object, right? See here, in this statement we are storing the address of this object in pointer variable. Now by using this pointer variable also we can access the data member P and display function, member function display, by using this ptra. How we are going to access? By using this access indicator operator, right? See here, ptra P equals to 30, ptra display. Now, what is my output here? Accessing class members using object is here. Data member is 20. Accessing class member object, here data member is 30. See here. Accessing class member using object, data member is 20. Accessing class member using pointer object, data member is 30. Right? Here now we will see the execution. Right? Go to the dev C++ software. What is our first? The statement hash include iostream. Hash include iostream. Next is using namespace std semicolon, right? Using namespace std. Now I am going to declare the class A. Now in class A, here in public mode, here I am going to declare int p variable and void display function. Right? See here, in this class only I am going to defining this function. In that case, we no need to write this, no need to put the semicolon, right? Cout value of P is P and L, right? Here I am going to write value of P is P and L, right? I am declaring the class. Now here I am going to write the main function int main here void. We have to pass void, opening the braces. Now for this class A I am going to create the pointer ptra. Now for the same thing I am going to create the object obja. Now here in pointer In pointer A, I am going to save the address of object A, obj A. And I am going to save the address of obj A. Now here, first I am going to call the p value by using the object. Now, cout accessing the data members by using object and L, right? Now how we are going to access this one? By using obj A dot p equals to 20, right? Obj A dot display, obj dot display, right? Now cout, I will copy this one, accessing the up to here, Control C, data members by using pointer, right? By using pointer, right, and L, enter, right? How we have to access this one? ptra p equals to 30, right? ptr display, right? ptr display, right? Up to here we are calling the function by using the object, and we are calling the function by using the pointer variable also, ptra. Next is return 0, closing the braces. Now already void main is there, already closing braces are there, so no need to write this one. Now I am going to save the program. Wait some time. Save. Now I am going to try to execute this one, compile. This one, put the semicolon after the class definition. See here we are defining the class, here we forget to put the semicolon. This is the error. Now I put the semicolon. Now save the program. Now again execute this one, compile. Wait for some time. See here, errors are 0, warnings are 0, right? Here now run the program. What is my output? Accessing the data members by using the object, value of p is 20. Accessing the data members by using the pointer, value of p is 30. See here, in this example, see here, in this example here I am creating, this is the class. In the class A I am going to declare the pointer data member p and display function void, right? Next is here I am creating this pointer star ptr A. Now I am creating the object obj A. Now here in this pointer variable I am going to save the address of this object. Here we can access the data members and member functions of its class by using the object as well as by using the pointer. Here in first case I am going to accessing this one. Here how I am going to accessing this one. Here see out accessing the data members by using the object obj dot p equals 20 obj dot here obj dot p equals to 20 means I am assigning 20 value to the variable p, right? Now obj dot a display, whenever I am going to write obj dot a display, directly control is going to transfer here. This one, this part is going to be executed. See out value of p is, what is the value of p? Value of p is 20. Value of p is 20, right? Now here up to here we are accessing the data member p and we are accessing the member function display by using this object obj a. Now I am going to try to access the data member p and member function display by using the pointer variable. Here pointer variable is ptr a. Why I am writing here pointer means ptr means pointer, a means class a, right? For easy recognition I am using this ptra. Now ptra here which one we have to use? This one. Here indirect access operator is there. Here minus then followed by the greater than symbol, minus followed by the greater than symbol. Now here I am assigning the value of p is 30. Now ptra display, whenever the compiler is going to read this statement, directly control is going to transfer to here void display. What is the value of p here? Value of p, I am passing the value of p is 30. ptra display means it is going to display the value of p. What is the value of p? Value of p is 30. See here. Compile. Run. In first case we are getting, the value of p is 20. In second case we are going to we are getting value of p is 30. In second case we are accessing the data member and member function by using the pointer object. In first case we are accessing the data member by using the object, right? In next class I am going to discuss the next topic, that is pointer to object in inheritance. How we are going to use the pointers in inheritance, right? Thank you.